Kind of. Yeah. Tell me the make and model of your bike, please, and the year.
2017 Ninja Kawasaki.
Are you a new rider, old rider? How long you been riding this bike?
Been riding since I was about 8.
Okay.
So definitely not a new rider, but new to sports bikes.
So why Ninja versus a different brand like a Honda or a Suzuki?
A Ninja is what I saw when I was a little girl as like the epitome of like.
So you were influenced by somebody? Is that what you mean, a family member or somebody?
Anytime I saw bikes, and I was really like attracted, and especially lady bikers. Ninjas.
They had Ninjas?
So I had a goal from when I was little that one day I needed to have a Ninja too.
I like your helmet, very stylish.
Oh, thank you.
So have you done anything to the bike since you got it?
Not except for lights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you planning on keeping this bike, or are you planning on changing it? What's your plan?
For the most part, I'm going to keep it how it is.
Okay.
I might add some detailing in the paintwork.
Yeah, tell me, what are you going to do?
I am obviously I have like a little scuffage going on.
Of course,
here.
everybody gets that. Everybody gets that. Without that, you're not a rider.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add like maybe some splashes of gold or something onto it.
Sweet, okay. So are you going to, put like some tints around, like wrapping or something? Is that what you want to do also?
Take the fairings off.
You're going to just replace the fairing because some.
Also like I do abstract art.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna add like splashes of like gold and things like that.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
When you do that. So the exhaust, is that factory or is it something you had done?
It's factory.
It's factory?
I like keeping it quiet though.
Okay.
Because a lot of people change the stock because they want something louder, but I like being quiet.
Alright, cool.
No one needs to see me.
Yeah. And what's your riding style? Highway, streets, or what?
I am it's really a 50-50.
Okay. What do you like? Do you have a preference that, some people like the highway, some people like the twisties?
Being on the highway.
You like the highway?
To me, it's like a game of chess.
Yeah.
Being on the highway.
On the highway.
Yeah.
I think highway is more fun than the twisties, but everybody is their own, each is to their own.
Twisties are nice, but I enjoy twisties like on a cruiser more than I do on a sports bike.
Yeah. So, and this one has power to deliver what you want, right?
It's enough.
It's enough, right?
I didn't get something faster because I have a hard time containing myself.
Okay. Is this the only bike you have, or do you have more than one bike?
This is currently the only bike that I have.
Okay. And your plans would be if you were to get another bike, you want to keep this, or are you
I want to keep this
and add another
bike? Ride this into the ground.
Right.
And I also want to get like a Shadow.
Honda Shadow?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or an Indian.
Oh, you're trying to go like this, the classic style looking. Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you Virginia, DC, Maryland? Whereabouts?
Virginia. Yeah.
So, was this the first time for you in this event?
It is actually. I've been to Cars and Coffee, but I haven't been to like a lot of bike meets.
Have you ever been to Bikes and Breakfast?
I have in Old Town Alexandria.
Oh yeah. So they do it every Sunday in different locations.
They are scraping that skirt. Sorry.
They do it every Sunday. So it's really nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you for your time.